What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Canva subscription. So if you have an iPhone, you can go to settings and then tap on your name at the top and then choose subscriptions. And if you are subscribed to Canva, you should see here where it says Canva and you can choose it and cancel your subscription from there. However, if you want to do it on the PC or the site on your phone, all you have to do is go to the website on your computer or your phone. Let's show you the steps on the computer. You can go to your computer and log into your Canva account, then tap on settings at the top right corner. And then from the menu at the left, choose billing and plans, and then choose your plan here, your current plan, and then select the option, the three dots here, and then tap on request cancellation. And here, if you do so, your account will be canceled from Canva Pro subscription.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.